Today in this video lecture we are going to find the limit of exponential and logarithmic functions, right? So for that we have for few formulas. First is limit h tends to 0 a raised to h minus 1 upon h, right? Means जो पावर है वही डिनोमिनेटर में होना चाहिए और यहाँ पे माइनस होना चाहिए, तो आंसर आएगा log of base this base a, right? So answer will be log a base e. Now if a is replaced by e, then limit h tends to 0 e raised to h minus 1 upon h, right? So a की जगह पे क्या आ गया e, तो आंसर हो जाएगा log e base e, and you know log e base e is 1, right? So you have to know some rules of log, that log x raised to n is n log x, right? It's called power rule. log x raised to n is n log x, right? So power जो है वो आगे आ जाता है. Then log 1 that you know also is always 0. Also you have to remember this, log a base a is equal to always 1. Log a base a is always 1. That you have to remember, right? So this is the few basic formula for log that you have to remember. Also you know log a upon b is log a minus log b, and log a into b is equal to log a plus log b, right? Got it? So you have to remember these formulas for this type of limit. And another formula is limit x tends to 0 if logarithmic function is given, that is log 1 plus x upon x. जो tends to है वो x है, तो 1 plus x upon x हो तो आंसर 1 आता है. यहाँ पे कुछ और आ गया तो वो आंसर वही है, डिनोमिनेटर में होगा तो आंसर 1 आएगा, नहीं तो नहीं आएगा. So considering this as a one of the question, right? If you want to derive the limit of this, then what you have to do? So suppose this is not in your standard formula, so we assume that this is our theta. So if we assume let log 1 plus x base e whole upon x is equal to theta. So if I take x to here, it becomes, or suppose this is okay, 1 plus x is equal to theta into x. So log 1 plus x is equal to this. Now you have one formula another, that is if a raised to x is equal to y, a raised to x is equal to y, then this implies x is equal to log y base a. X is equal to log y base a. And if you have this is your logarithmic function, right? So this is logarithmic function. And this is exponential function. Right? So if you want to convert exponential function in a logarithmic function, then answer is x is equal to log of this base. यहाँ पे जो base है वही वहाँ base रहेगा, base a. और if you want to convert logarithmic function to a exponential function, from logarithmic to exponential function, then answer is y is equal to a raised to x. Y is equal to a raised to x. See, right? So similarly here, this is log 1 plus x base e is equal to theta x. So if I want to make this a subject, then this is a logarithmic function, right? This is our y, this is y. Instead of a we have e, and instead of x we have theta x. So from this subject to make y, so y is this 1 plus x. So this is 1 plus x is equal to, जो बेस है log का वो बेस होगा, बेस क्या है e. So this is e raised to theta x, वो पावर में चला जाएगा, x जो है वो, right? So पावर में आ गया. Now if I take 1 to opposite side, this become x is equal to, right? X is equal to e raised to theta x minus 1. X is equal to e raised to theta x minus 1. If I divide both sides by x, we get 1 is equal to e raised to theta x minus 1 upon x. Why I am dividing this? Because I want to apply this formula, because power is e raised to h. Instead of h, what is here? Theta x. Minus 1 is there upon x. So missing term is theta. So dividing and multiplying by theta here, we get this function. So we get same formula like this here. Instead of h, here is theta x, right? So now if I'm giving limit to both sides, that is limit, our limit is in question is x tends to 0. So applying limit x tends to 0, right, into 1. Limit x tends to 0 into 1. This is equal to limit x tends to 0 e raised to theta x minus 1 upon theta x, and this is in multiplication, so giving a separate limit. So this is limit x tends to 0 into theta. X tends to 0 into theta. Now compare with this limit. पावर में जो है वो थीटा एक्स है, माइनस 1 होना चाहिए, वो ही पावर डिनोमिनेटर में होना चाहिए, वो है, बट लिमिट भी वही है, टेंड्स टू 0 होना चाहिए, मगर यहाँ पे क्या है, x टेंड्स टू 0. वी लर्न, you also know, if I multiply by h here, also x tends to 0, this is constant, so limit constant की क्या रहती है, constant ही रहती है, right? So this is limit. Can I write like this? X into theta tends to 0. I am multiplying both sides by theta, then this is 0, right? So this is e raised to theta x minus 1 upon theta x, then into limit x tends to 0. And what is theta? Our theta is this, that is log 1 plus x whole upon x base e है. इसका आंसर क्या होगा? जो e रेज़ टू h माइनस 1 अपॉन h है, तो इसका आंसर 1 आता है. तो ये आंसर जो है वो क्या हो गया, 1 हो गया. तो क्या होगा, 1 इज इक्वल टू 1 इंटू दिस इज लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 0 log 1 plus x whole upon x. So final answer, what you want to prove? Limit x tends to 0 log 1 plus x upon x is always 1. So therefore limit x tends to 0 log 1 plus x whole upon x is always 1. If I am not writing e here, then you have to consider as a natural logarithmic function. So while e is their base, no need to write e always, okay? And if you write, no problem. So I am writing also, because we write each and every step e there, right? So this is a 3 formulas. Basic, these 2 formulas are given in your textbook, and this is extra because this formula can be derived from this, right? So you have to remember this formula for your textbook point of view, right? So now limit h tends to 0 e raised to h minus 1 upon h, जो पावर है वही बेस होना चाहिए, सॉरी डिनोमिनेटर में होना चाहिए, तो ही आंसर 1 आता है, मगर बेस e है तो, राइट? और log फंक्शन है तो log 1 plus x, 1 plus जो भी है वो डिनोमिनेटर चाहिए, तो आंसर 1 आएगा, मगर लिमिट बोथ में टेंड्स टू 0 होनी चाहिए, राइट? सो इसकी एप्लीकेशन जो है, उसके क्वेश्चंस जो है, सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज एग्जांपल नंबर 5, पेज 482. इट इज गिवन लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 0 e रेज़ टू 3x minus 1 upon x. ये पावर है, वो ही डिनोमिनेटर में होना चाहिए, है क्या? नहीं है, तो क्या करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड. So multiply and divide, so we get limit x tends to 0 e raised to 3x minus 1 upon, I am multiplying by 3 in denominator, so we have to multiply in numerator by 3. Got it? Divide and multiply here. Now answer of this, while x tends to 0, 3x is always tends to 0. So what is your answer? This is e raised to x, compared with here, e raised to h here minus 1 upon h. So what is your answer? E raised to h minus 1 upon h. Answer is always 1. So this is 3 constant. Answer of this is 1. And you have to write here reason as x tends to 0, 3x also tends to 0. So no need to write 3x here. If you write this reason, if you don't want to write this, then write here 3x tends to 0. Okay, it's so simple. So what is your answer? Your answer will be 3. So similar this type of question. What is your answer? E raised to 4x minus 1 upon x. क्या मिसिंग है? 4. तो 4 मिसिंग है तो मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड करेंगे तो 4 ही आंसर आएगा, बिकॉज ये तो 1 होने वाला है क्योंकि आंसर ही 1 है दोनों का, राइट? तो आंसर क्या आएगा? डिवाइड एंड मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 करेंगे तो लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 0 e raised to 4x minus 1 upon 4x divide and multiply by 4. As x tends to 0, 4x tends to 0. You can write directly 4x here and write 4 into 1. That is 4 is answer. If you write 4x here, then no need to write this, right? So that means in shortcut, for shortcut method, right? If you have limit x tends to 0 e raised to nx minus 1 upon nx, then answer is n. E raised to nx minus, right? E raised to nx minus 1 upon x, then answer is n, right? See here, e raised to n is 3, answer is 3. E raised n 4, answer is 4. So same thing, same something like this, but here it is both has e. So can I write this is like this: limit x tends to 0 e square into e raised to x minus e square by x, right? E square into e raised to x minus, this is e square. Now e square is common, so if I take e square common, we get limit x tends to 0 e square is common, e square minus 1 upon x. Now e square, x tends to 0 is variable, e square is constant, so taking outside the limit we get e square into limit x tends to 0 e raised to x minus 1 upon x. This is your standard formula. So what is your answer? E square, right? So answer will be e square into 1, that is e square. Same question, but power is sign. So what you need here? Sign, right? So divide and multiply by sign. So if we divide and multiply by sign, this is sin x. You have to multiply by sin x, and x is as it is. Giving separate limit to both, right? What we get? Limit x tends to 0 e raised to sin x minus 1 upon sin x into limit x tends to 0 sin x upon x. Now e raised to h minus 1 upon h, but x tends to 0 is here. If x is tends to 0, then sin 0 is 0. So you can write 1. So this is your standard formula, and this is your standard formula. As x tends to 0, sin x tends to 0 also. So you will get your answer 1, right? So this is a very easy type of question, limit of our logarithmic and exponential functions. Do practice questions, okay? Question number 3, page 483. Limit x tends to 5 e raised to x minus e raised to 5 upon x minus 5. Power is x, but in denominator x minus 5. We can't split this x minus 5. That means we must have in power x minus 5. Then we apply formula this, limit h tends to 0 e raised to h minus 1 upon x is equal to 1. So this is our standard formula. So we can apply this formula if it is h, here h. So this is your h. Means we require here x minus 5. Here is e raised to 5, that is extra. Also we need 1 here, so we doesn't want e raised to 5 here, means taking e raised to 5 common. But here is no e raised to 5, means we have to multiply and divide. Multiply करेंगे वो common आ जाएगा, divide करेंगे वो ऐसे रहेगा. तो क्या होगा? Limit x tends to 5, right? e raised to 5 common लिया, तो ये हो जाएगा e raised to x upon e raised to 5 minus 1 whole upon x minus 5. Any problem? Now base same. If we take these two numerator, become minus, and this is e raised to 5 is constant, so writing outside the limit. So e raised to 5, limit x tends to 5, e raised to x minus 5, because base is same. If we take these two numerator, it become minus, and minus 1 upon x minus 5. Now h, x minus 5, minus 1, h, x minus 2, x minus 5. But what we need here, h tends to 0, this tends to 0. So can I write like this, e raised to 5, limit taking 5 to here, this become x minus 5 tends to 0, e raised to x minus 5 minus 1 upon x minus 5. So this is your h. This is your h. Answer is standard formula. So answer is 1. So e raised to 5 into 1. So answer is e raised to 5. Right? So see here. X tends to 5, e raised to x minus e raised to 5 upon x minus 5 means x tends to 5 है वही है, बेस सबका e है और पावर जो n है वो n ही आंसर में आता है. तो आपको शॉर्टकट्स में जो याद रखना है, तो आप ऐसे शॉर्टकट्स याद रख सकते हैं कि लिमिट x tends to n, right? Limit x tends to n, e raised to x minus e raised to n अपॉन x माइनस n है, तो आंसर n ही आएगा. आंसर क्या आएगा? n ही आएगा. बेस बोथ e होना चाहिए, जो टेंस टू है वही पावर और वही डिनोमिनेटर होना चाहिए, राइट? तो आंसर n आता है, ये टेंस टू है वो, तो इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? सॉरी, e रेज टू n आएगा. सॉरी, e रेज टू n ही आता है, तो इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? इसका e रेज टू 5 आया, तो इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? e रेज टू 3. वो आपको होमवर्क में करना है, तो मैं वो आपके लिए छोड़ता हूं, वो होमवर्क आपको करना है, राइट? नाउ here is e raised to x is there, exponential function as well as trigonometric functions are given, but your standard formula is e raised to power is x. What you need? Minus 1 is there? Yes. So recollecting these two terms, right? So limit x tends to 0, e raised to x minus 1 minus sin x upon x. I am rearranging the term. Now bifurcating, because this is my formula and this is extra. So bifurcating this, we get limit x tends to 0, e raised to x minus 1 upon x and minus sin x upon x. Giving separate limit a minus b, right? So limit x tends to 0, e raised to x minus 1 upon x minus limit x tends to 0 sin x upon x. So answer is 1 and answer of this is also 1, that is 0, right? Now next question is question number 6, page 483. Limit x tends to 0, x into e raised to x minus 1 upon 1 minus cos x. Standard formula e raised to x minus 1 है, वो ही लेते हैं पहले, right? तो क्या होगा? This is limit x tends to 0, e raised to x minus 1 upon, right, into this is x upon 1 minus cos x है, right? मैंने टर्म को अरेंज किया है, सेपरेट कर दिया x 1 minus cos x. What we require here in denominator? X. So I am dividing by x, means we have to multiply by x, that is x square. Now while there is a term like 1 minus cos x, you know answer of this is 1 upon 2 in denominator, so answer is 2 in numerator, right? So what to do? Divide and multiply by reciprocal. Reciprocal means 1 plus cos x, so 1 plus cos x into 1 plus cos x, right? So this is your answer. Now giving both a separate limit, so this is limit x tends to 0, e raised to x minus 1 upon x into limit x tends to 0, this is x square upon, this is a minus b and this is a plus b. So answer will be a square minus b square, that is 1 minus cos square x. And you know that while we are rationalizing, there is a one term extra either in numerator either in denominator. So here in numerator it is extra term, so giving them also separate limit. So limit x tends to 0, 1 plus cos x. Right? Answer of this is 1 because this is standard formula. Now 1 minus cos square x is sin square x. So this is limit x tends to 0, sin square x upon x square into applying limit as there is no denominator. Answer is 1 plus cos 0. This is sin square x upon x square. Again answer is 1. So this is 1, this is 1 and this is 1 plus cos 0 is 1. So your answer will be 2. Got it? Question was saying, page 483, given that limit x tends to 0 log of 1 plus twice x upon x. Now you have one formula, that the standard formula is limit x tends to 0 log 1 plus x whole upon x. Then answer is always 1. Then answer is always 1. And if there is no base, that means you have to consider here is a natural logarithmic, right, function. So this is your standard formula. What is here? Log 1 plus twice x. We require x. So x है तो x ही चाहिए डिनोमिनेटर में. तो twice x तो क्या चाहिए? 2. So divide and multiply by 2. We get limit x tends to 0 log of 1 plus twice x whole upon x. Now missing is 2. So divide by 2 means multiplying by 2 because 2 is constant. So that's why I am writing outside the limit. Right? And limit x tends to 0. You require here is twice x. If you multiply this by 2, then what is your answer? Limit twice x tends to 0 log 1 plus twice x upon twice x. Now answer of this is 1. So answer may be 2 into 1, that is 2. Answer may be 2 into 1, that is 2. Got it? Easy, है ना? Same question like this here. So it is given limit x tends to 0 log 1 plus x cube. Now what we required for formula x then x. Here is x cube. So divide it by x cube means multiply by x cube and this is sin cube x. देखो setting हो गया ना इसका भी x cube. Now this is sin cube. Sin theta upon theta cube. Got it? हो गया आंसर? हाँ? तो क्या आंसर आएगा? Limit x tends to 0. Now we need x tends to 0. If we cube this, x cube tends to 0 also. So x cube tends to 0 log 1 plus x cube whole upon x cube into limit x tends to 0 x cube upon sin cube x. Sin theta upon theta cube. Answer is 1. Answer is this is 1. So answer is 1 into 1, that is 1. Right? Now this is question number, example number 7, page 483. It is given log x tends to 1, log x upon 1 minus x. Not a single formula is applicable. कुछ पता नहीं चलता. You don't know what to do. You don't understand. Then क्या बोला था मैंने? जो tends to है वो plus something एज्यूम कर लेना है. तो क्या एज्यूम करेंगे? x is equal to 1 plus theta. So let x is equal to 1 plus theta and you have to change the limit as x tends to 1. Substitute x equal to 1 here. What is theta? If x is 1, 1 is equal to 1. So theta is 0. So theta tends to 0. Right? And from here, what we get? X minus 1. So x minus 1 is theta. X minus 1 is theta. So we get expressions become limit theta tends to 0 because we have to write new limit. Now log x is 1 plus theta whole upon x minus 1 is theta And what is this? Yes, this is your standard formula. So answer is 1. Got it? Either you can assume if there is a log, then you can assume for log also. So log x is equal to t. Suppose we assume log x is equal to theta. No base means there is a e base. So changing logarithmic function into exponential function, x become क्या होगा? X is equal to e raised to theta. And substituting limit as x tends to 1, theta tends to, write down here 1, log 1 is always 0. So your expressions become limit is theta tends to 0. Log x is theta whole upon x is e raised to theta. So e raised to theta and minus 1. What is this? This is the formula e raised to theta minus 1 upon theta, like this. First time ever I am writing this as like this. Limit theta tends to 0, e raised to theta minus 1 upon theta. Right? Formula from denominator, as I told you in our earlier classes. Right? That is in video. Right? So answer is 1. So this is a 1 again. E raised to theta minus 1 upon denominator goes to numerator. So answer is 1. So I think both are same, है ना? तो बहुत ही इजी क्वेश्चन है.